Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can customize and change the row height of your rows in your tables on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your spreadsheet here on LibreOffice Calc and click into the row here to the left you'd like to edit. I will go with row number, let's say 11. Click into it. And what you want to do is left click to select it, then right click into it, and what you want to do is right click here to the right, of course, and select row height. And what you want to do next is use these up and down buttons here to change the height of the row, or you enter the number. But I'm going to use these arrows here to, let's say, 2.0. After that, select or click into OK, or set it as a default height, and that is going to change it like this. Now, of course, there's also the option to use, and that's option number 2, to use these handles here to the left. Simply click into the upper or lower edge of the given row and adjust the height using your left mouse, like this. So these are the two options, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.